Hello, and welcome to another recording by Millicent Chaz here at the ATM Biz team. We're gonna call this a team because we're here partnering together to invest, to learn, and to make money. Loads and loads of cash, whether you be in the US, Canada, whether you be in a European country, the UK, whether you be in Pakistan, whether you be in India, all throughout the world, here we are zooming in on cryptocurrency here. Guess what? Bitcoin hit $6,000. Yes, it touched $6,000. Now, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited, everybody. Okay, let me move my face a little bit. Don't get too excited. Let's be in this for the long run. Now, if we had extra 2 months patience, Bitcoin go down. Let's say Bitcoin goes down, and then you stock up on more cryptocurrency, stock up on more of that altcoin that you believe is gonna skyrocket to the moon. Would it be worth it for Bitcoin to go down? Just for a little bit, just a teensy tiny little bit. I think we can wait. Now, if Bitcoin wants to skyrocket to the moon and go back up to 20k, then so be it. I'm not holding that back down. But based on the chart, let's look at the chart. You see here, right here, Bitcoin touched this resistance line on the T, hit 6,000, and that's the psychology and the mindset of people that are trading. They're selling at this point. People are mentally saying, once you reach 6,000, once you reach this resistance level, I'm gonna sell off because I believe a lot of people may believe that it hits this resistance, then it's going to pull back. Now, you can't see this exactly on the daily, but if you look closer to the 4 hour, maybe a little head and shoulders pattern playing out. You know, a M, as you see, this M head and shoulders playing out. Now, a lot of people got excited by seeing this spike up. Okay, yeah, a lot of times I've seen the forex market, it'll make a move up, and it seems like, oh, it's gonna go up to the moon, but then it spikes up and it spikes down, and it goes in a downtrend. So we won't know for sure. I'm not saying, Bitcoin is gonna go all the way back down to 4,000, but we are definitely in a bull market, seemingly. Okay, and I'm gonna test these levels here. Zoom out a little bit. Test these levels. See this blue line? I highly doubt that Bitcoin is gonna blast past and go to what people have said months ago. Oh, Bitcoin's gonna go to 1,000. That would be great if it did, but I think the sentiment in we're running out of time. I think people are the FOMO and the FUD is gearing in is really uh, uh, really flooding in. So I don't think we have a chance now to just fall to 1,000. But I do believe that Bitcoin will, and all cryptocurrencies in general, we have a time where it's gonna fall back down, and that is when I am gearing to buy up a lot of cryptocurrency. Particularly, I just looked at a cryptocurrency that I totally forgot about. Now look at this, Bitcoin Cash. Now I don't really care about the wars between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Truth be told, Bitcoin Cash reached up to like 4,000, 5,000 bucks. All right, it reached up there, and look at it where it's today. It hit over 300 bucks and now bounced back down below 300. Um, but before that, Bitcoin Cash, um, it was at the bottom. It was at let me move my face. It was at like 200, around a little bit over 200. So man, if I would have known that, I would have bought Bitcoin Cash at 200 let's say, a couple or two of them, and then Bitcoin Cash reaches back up to 4,000 bucks and above, when Bitcoin goes up to 20K and more, Bitcoin Cash will do the same thing and it'll go up past 5,000, 10,000. So this is a great time to buy into cryptocurrencies, but particularly when and after the pullback happens. However long, see how Bitcoin Cash just blew up to 300 or past 300, then shot back down. And if it breaks some of these support levels, hoping that it breaks past that so it can fall back down to lower 2,000 level. Lower 200 level, so I can buy at least two of them, at least two of the Bitcoin Cash, so that that's good. That's good gains whenever it goes back up to 4,000, 5,000 level. So yeah, these are great days. These are great days in the crypto market. Here we are. And I heard about somebody that my parents went on a cruise. They told me about this guy that trades stocks and whatnot. So my mom told me about this guy, and I told my mom, she was asking me, she thought I knew that I trade stocks, and I said I don't trade stocks, I trade crypto. And she must have told him, and he said, don't trade crypto. Now, obviously this guy doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency. Now, I don't have any favoritism towards stocks, cryptocurrency, forex, whatever. The point is the gain and how quickly you could gain. Now, if I have $100 million, yes, I'll put a lot of money into stocks, because the more money I put into stocks, the quicker I can see a high percentage return. Okay, but cryptocurrency, and let's say if a person does penny stocks, you with a limited funding, you can see greater rate of return than if you put your limited funding into stocks, like buying Netflix or Amazon today, or Apple. I have to put a lot of money into that to see a fast return. I'm not trying to wait 20 years to get a good return on my investment. With cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, with Ada Cardano, I think I invested a little bit over 1,000 into that, and I saw it did 10x in a couple months. 10x from like a little bit under 1,000 to 10,000 in a couple months. You can't see that, particularly as far as I know, in stocks. So this is how we get out of the 9-to-5 rat race. This is how we dissolve the 9-to-5 conspiracy. These things, they don't teach us in high school. These things, they don't teach us in college. These things, they want to keep from the masses, so that we stay in that highly taxed bracket, and are constantly working for them, for the elite status. So this is one of many ways that one can make money online. There's numerous other ways, and it's crazy how many young people, they're 15, 18 years old, becoming millionaires, making thousands per month. We can do this. You can do this. So if you like the content of this video and you want to see my journey in this ATM biz, striving, we can just call it that. We're not really striving, but we're thriving, striving to thrive. Okay, we have the mindset of thriving, but we are hustling. We are hustling. Okay, with the mindset of thriving, but we are hustling. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen, Captain. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Signing out.